Hello everyone, this is a stepper motor second video. As explained in the previous video, we have explained the whole program. Now we will see how to run the program with the help of MPLAB and Proteus software. So first of all, we will copy whole code. Now we'll go to the MPLAB file, new project, standalone project. Next, write down here peak 18F4520. Click on next. Simulator, next. This is embedded C code, so we will use Xe8. Next, then name of the project, here we'll give stepper 4, then click on finish. So this is a stepper 4. Now previous all projects are open. So here click on our current project, click on source file, click on new, and you will get here C source file. New stepper, click on finish. Now here paste the whole code. So this is our code as explained it previously. Now file, save the code, and here build the project. Now we'll start building the project. So it will take time to build the project, and it will create the hex file for us. Now here the hex file is ready. Here now copy the hex file location, so production.hex. So you can copy up to this, and now we'll go to the Proteus. Now here this is a previously done program. Now I will build another project. So this is new project, file, new project. Write down the name of the project here, stepper 4. This is the name of the project. Browse the particular folder where you want to save the simulation. So pick simulation Proteus. We have selected this folder. Then click on next, click on next, click on next, and finish. So it will build a new project for us. Now select, go to the device, pick device menu. So pick, so it will pick 18F4520. so this name of the IC. We will click on OK. So we'll paste our IC, then P stepper motor, stepper motor. So here these are the unipolar stepper motor, bipolar stepper motor. Right now we will use unipolar stepper motor. So this is unipolar stepper motor. Now as now just we'll complete the connections. So let's go to the program. See here which port B is used over here. So we need to connect the port B. So let's check the connections. Port B, but port B is here, so we will rotate it in the particular direction. So the port pins will be available to us. Port B, now the port B is available here. So RB0 and RB1 and RB2 and RB4. So here first pin is connected to RB3. So this is RB3. Then second is connected to RB2, second wire connection. Then this one is connected to RB0 and this one is connected to RB1. So these are A, B, C, D, 4 windings are connected. Then these 2 windings are connected to the power supply. So power supply windings plus 5 volt. So go to the terminal option, get power connection. So this is a power connection. Now we will connect this to the power connection and connect this. So this is the connection of stepper motor. Now go to the terminal option again, take power and give the power supply to the PIC controller. Now we are connecting to the PIC controller. Now these are the connections. Now we'll paste our code. We have used 8 megahertz, so write down here 8 and paste our code here. So this is our code. Click on OK. Now the code is available and connections are completed. Now try to simulate. So click on simulation option. Now this is the output. Our stepper motor is executing. So this the all connections are done and stepper motor is executing. Thanks for watching.